Hi, this is Ronald Carleto and I'm here to make a quick video on one of my jobs, um, and specifically home-based jobs. So what I'm gonna share to you is about a typical data entry in which I am tasked to research about certain information about bids and solicitation, mainly in the US and Canada. So let's look at the site. This is the main site in which I am working on, and I need to click on the work distribution system, and then you will be taken into this kind of page. So when you click on view, you will go to the specific website that you will be working on. So in this case, it is the Newport, Virginia. So you need to check each of these bids and verify if it is already entered into the database. So let's do that one by one. So we need to click on the name of the solicitation or the name of the project, and click on the right state, which is Virginia, and the country, which is the United States, and then click on search to verify if the said solicitation is already entered in the system. In this case, HVAC or improvements is already entered in the system, so we don't need to do anything about it. So let's look for a solicitation that is not yet entered. So here, I'll take this as an example: hydrant repairs for the Department of Public Utilities. So we need to verify first if it's not yet in the system. Let's look for wait for it to load, and you can see there is the solicitation, the specific solicitation is not yet entered in the system. So what we need to do is click on this button, add button, you will be taken into this page. So you need to enter specific information on the specified fields. In this one, first we need to enter the source. So in the source field, we need to enter the main URL wherein you found the specific solicitation. Excuse me. Okay, next one is the state, and in this case Virginia, and the next one is the bid date, and in this case it's August 18. So 18, and let's enter into the file. Let's wait for it to load, and then here it is. So the specific bid date is August 18 at 2 p.m. So we need to enter 2 p.m. here. Then class, we should select report. All this will be discussed in the training. Source type is the owner. And then next one is the owner solicitation name. Just copy this one. Hydrant repair parts, and the solicitation number. Enter into the specified field, and the next one is the location, in this case Newport News. Then let's browse on the file to get specific information. So the next important thing is to get the scope. In this case, it's to establish a multi-year contract to provide OEM hydrant repair parts as needed by the Department of Public Utilities or Waterworks. So let's copy the whole scope and paste it in the specific field. Then we need to verify if just browse through the file, because we need to get certain information. Here in the plans inspects, this is the one wherein you will get the plans for if you will be bidding. So let's just put in here from owner, and we need to link the specific file on the outside link field. So we need to put a note, seal linked file, and then the most important one is the owner field. We need to select the owner, as you can see there are a lot of owners. We need to select the correct one. Okay, after the owner, we need to select the owner contact. In this case, it's Greg Smith, as I learned that when I browsed the entire document. Okay, so the next thing is to determine the correct category for the scope. In this case, it's hydrant repair parts. So I think the most appropriate category is parts. I think it's miscellaneous goods. So we need to click on miscellaneous goods, and that's it. So we just need to review the source, the country, the state, bid date, time, the class, and the source type. Then the solicitation name and the number, the specific location, the scope, the plans, where do you get the plans if you're interested to bid on the project, and then the specific file here, and verify if we have chosen the correct owner and the owner contact, and then the work type. Let's verify if we have chosen the correct work type. So I think it's okay. We just need to